Dozer! Come here, Doze. Hi, Dozer. Yay! Look how big Dozer got. Yay! And Doogie! Hi, Duke! Duke got big too, but it's not. Well, he's not still growing, he's just getting bigger. And Casey and Pete. Hi, Sam! Hey, Sam! Let's see your mouth, Sam. Let me see. He doesn't want to show his mouth because, well, he kind of had his teeth broken. Silly butt. We're going on a tour. Oh, it's Junie. Hi, Junie. Junie the donkey. And then we have number 21. I'm sorry, I don't. Oh, that's Sonic. Sonic. Duke. Sonic. And that's Junie. The most loving donkey that ever lived. The real purpose of this visit is to look at our newest friends. This is Hannah. She's probably going to run me over while I'm standing here. And her newest one. Her new one. Haha. That's Hagar. Hagar was born on Christmas Eve. Hannah managed to have a baby on Christmas Eve 2 years in a row. Some more cows. Some more Hagar. Hagar. Let's see. Where's the cute one? Oh, here's the cute one. This is Leela. And Duke. Go away, Duke. She's gonna trample you. And this is Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Hi, Leela. Hi, Lorenzo. Hey, Leela. Do that really cool thing where you can stick your tongue in your nose. Come on, let me see your trick. You just did it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah! Junie's trying to eat my camera bag as we talk. And here she is. Lorenzo. 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 Hi, Leela. Lorenzo. Hi. Mom says, what does Mom say? Moo. Mom says moo and leave my baby alone. Leela. What's your baby doing? Let's see. What is she doing? Come on. Lorenzo. Let's see your face, Lorenzo. 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 Come on. Here, baby Lorenzo. Oh, you know me, Leela. It's okay. Moo. Oh, there he is. Wait. There he is. Oh, there you are. Hello, Lorenzo. Hi. Hello. I'm Lorenzo. I'm funny looking. I mean, really, really super cute. Mom. Who else do we have? I don't know you. Number 12. Various and sundry other cows. And Lorenzo. Hi. Hi, Lorenzo. Hi. Duke! This is a new one too. This is Candy. Her name is Candy. Hi, Candy. Hi, Candy. Hannah's rather upset because Hagar, haha, Hagar had run away from her a little bit. Yay. Okay, what else do we have? We have a chicken and a horse. This is Smokey, Mimi's new horse. Hi, Smokey. He is a true buckskin. Hi. sweetheart. Look at those eyes. Hey, how could you not love those eyes? Those eyes. I made the mistake of giving them too many treats, and now they only love me for my food. And then there's my mangy horse. My mangy horse. Hi, mangy horse. Nose. Hi. See, she's just looking for treats too. As you can see, she's muddy and disgusting and not at all cute today. The goats. Tuffy. Hi, Tuffy. And you, I don't know your name. I have a friend. His name is Smokey. I have another friend. Her name is Junie. If you haven't met, this is Helen. Helen's the light-colored one, and Ronnie is the dark one. They were both stone blind when they got here, and Mimi did her magic, and now, lo and behold, they're no longer blind. Judy. Hi, Tuff. Tuffy Tuffies. Hello. Wait, let me see if I can get them to lick. It's the funniest thing when they lick. No. Ah! It's babykins. Babykins. What else? There's not much else to... Much out. There's Pepper. Hi, Pepper. We're all looking a little ratty because it's winter. Hi. Hi. No. Hey, where are you going? What else? See, they think I'm going to feed them. Little do they know, I'm just here for their picture. And chickens, 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 chickens. They think I'm going to feed them too. Chickens. That's my favorite one right there. That gray one with the really super fuzzy feet. That's my favorite. Okay, ladies, have you done your job today? Here's the trick. Dun dun dun. Do we have any eggs? No eggs? Really? Really? No food for you. No food for you, chickens. You didn't do your job today. That's a lot of chickens for no eggs. There's a lot of chickens. And one duck. Hi, duck. Oh, rooster doesn't like duck. And Junie. Junie. And this concludes your latest tour of Mimi's Home for Wayward Animals. Looking at our most wayward animal. Hi, Wayward. She's a good girl. I hope you guys are having fun in Jersey. Oh, and it's 65 degrees here today. It's gorgeous, wonderful, warm weather. And we went fishing this morning. Yay! I went fishing with Mimi and didn't catch a darn thing. But it was fun. Right, babykins? Yeah. Okay, doodles. Bye-bye.